Today we are making beautiful but easy Christmas tree baubles. The first two you could also make with kids. What you need is first of all these empty baubles that are transparent and come apart. Lots of craft stores sell them. Cut up a lot of your leftover yarns into small pieces. These pieces are different lengths. And then also glitter yarn. Here I have a red glitter and golden. These are actually longer so that they show better. And then mix the two. Just mix them up. And then take one of these balls that you can split and stuff it all into one side. It can be very tight now, but then it loosens when we close the other side over it. There, trying to keep it in there. And then take the other side and close it. And then it depends a bit what sort you have, but this here one clicks in and it closes like that. So apart from these that are coming out of it, this is it done. You can shake it a bit to even it out. So here's our colorful bauble. For the next one, I'm using this novelty yarn that I had got at some stage, as well as silvery beads. I'll pour the beads in there first and then start piling up the yarn. This time I'm not cutting the yarn up at all, but just stuffing it in there, and then after it's in there, in the two halves, I'll shake it looser. There. And then the other side on it. Like that. And then I'll shake it so that the beads are sort of at the bottom of it. And if there are some threads hanging out, you can just cut them off. Here's another lovely one. It looks a bit like a snowball. For the third one, we fill the bauble with tiny little crocheted hearts. I didn't actually fill it very tight, but you could have it completely full too. These little hearts are part of another tutorial I have. Check out the description or pinned comment for a direct link for how to make them. Here are our 3 new baubles. Hang them in your own tree or give as gifts. Until next time.